know the words, you practiced at home, but when you open your mouth, your voice shakes and nobody takes you seriously. Today you'll learn how to sound confident when you speak English, even when you're nervous inside. Miss these techniques and people will interrupt you or ignore what you say. Brian, do people ever talk over you?
All the time.
Why do you think that happens?
I don't know, maybe I talk too quiet?
That's part of it. But it's not just volume, it's how you use your voice. Let me show you something. Listen to these two sentences. Same words, different confidence. First one, maybe we could try that.
Sounds unsure.
Now listen, we should try that.
Oh, way stronger.
Same idea, different feeling. The first one has maybe and could, weak words. The second one is direct. We should. That's confident.
So I just remove maybe.
Mostly yes. Americans respect direct speech. Not rude, just clear. Try this. Say, I think we should meet Tuesday.
I think we should meet Tuesday.
Good. Now say it without I think. Just, we should meet Tuesday.
We should meet Tuesday.
Hear the difference?
Yeah, stronger without I think.
Right. I think makes you sound unsure. Sometimes you need it, but not always. Now here's another problem. Apologizing too much.
What do you mean?
How many times a day do you say sorry?
I don't know, maybe 10 times?
For what? Real mistakes or just existing?
Both, I guess.
That's the problem. Americans say sorry for real mistakes, bumping into someone, being late, breaking something. But if you say sorry for asking a question or having an opinion, you sound weak.
I do that.
I know, lots of learners do. Instead of, sorry, can I ask a question, just say, can I ask a question?
Can I ask a question?
Perfect. No sorry needed. Practice. Say, excuse me, where's the bathroom?
Excuse me, where's the bathroom?
Excellent. Say it again.
Excuse me, where's the bathroom?
Good. Now volume. You said you talk quiet. Why?
I'm scared of mistakes.
Okay, but here's the thing. Quiet voice equals no confidence, even if your English is perfect.
So just talk louder?
Yes, but from here. Emily gestures to her chest. From your chest, not your throat. Big breath, then speak. Try it. Say, I have a question.
I have a question.
Louder. Breathe first.
I have a question.
Much better. You felt that?
Yeah, different.
Your voice has more power. Now let's talk about pauses. Most learners talk like this. They rush through sentences and they never stop and they sound nervous.
I definitely do that.
Confident speakers pause. They breathe. They think. It makes people listen. Say this sentence with me. Pause after each comma. I need to talk to you about the meeting tomorrow morning.
I need to talk to you about the meeting tomorrow morning.
Good. Those pauses give you time. They also make you sound thoughtful, not nervous.
But what if I pause because I forgot a word?
That's fine. Everyone does that. Just don't fill it with and constantly. 1 or 2 is normal. 10 in one sentence sounds bad.
I say a lot.
Try this instead. Pause in silence, or say, let me think, or how do I say this? All better than
Let me think. Okay, I can do that.
Now, body language. This is huge. You can say the right words, but if you look down or cross your arms, nobody believes you.
What should I do?
Stand straight, shoulders back, look at people's eyes, not the floor.
Eye contact is hard.
I know. Start small. Look for 3 seconds, look away, look back. You don't have to stare, just show you're present.
3 seconds, got it.
And hands, use them. Americans talk with their hands. It shows energy, confidence. Don't hide them in your pockets.
I always put them in my pockets.
I know. Take them out. You'll feel weird at first, but you'll look better.
Okay, hands out, look up, speak louder, pause, no sorry, no maybe.
Exactly. One more thing. End your sentences strong. Don't let your voice go up at the end like a question.
I do that too?
Most learners do. Listen, Are you coming to the meeting?
That's a question.
Right. Voice goes up. Now listen. I'll be at the meeting.
Voice goes down.
Yes, down means statement, confident. But if you say, I'll be at the meeting with your voice up, it sounds like you're asking permission.
Oh, wow, I never noticed that.
Try it. Say, I'm ready. Voice down at the end.
I'm ready.
Good. Again.
I'm ready.
Perfect. Now you sound sure. Last thing, confident people make mistakes and keep going. They don't stop, they don't apologize, they just continue.
Even if it's a big mistake?
Even then, most people don't care. They want to understand you. If you stop and say, oh, sorry, my English is bad, you lose them.
So just keep talking.
Yes, if you mess up a word, fix it fast and move on. Like this. I went to the store yesterday, 2 days ago, and I bought milk. See? Quick fix, no big deal.
That's actually helpful.
It works. People respect speakers who don't give up on their sentences. So, review. Speak louder from your chest. Remove weak words like maybe and I think. Stop over-apologizing. Pause instead of Make eye contact. Use your hands. End sentences with your voice going down, and keep going when you make mistakes.
That's a lot.
Pick one thing. Practice that this week. Then add another. You'll sound more confident in a month.
Which one should I start with?
Volume. Speak louder. Everything else builds from that. So that's how to sound confident in English. You don't have to feel confident, you just have to sound it, and eventually the feeling follows. Here's my question for you. What's your biggest confidence problem when speaking English? Tell us in the comments. And if this helped, subscribe for more real English lessons. Thanks for listening.